Damon Williams, who is the owner of InCap Store, posted something super interesting in his group, Pad Life, on Facebook, and I want to share it with you guys. So he posted this poll here and asked, how many of you guys are communicating with your existing list of customers? And over 40% of you said you're not even doing it at all. I think that's crazy, and I want to show you how simple it is and how important it is to actually do so. So why do carpet cleaning businesses fail? Well, I think there's a couple reasons, but one, the first year, carpet cleaning businesses fail because they're not good at marketing, and marketing is tough. Marketing is very, very difficult. You have to spend money, your own money. You gotta sometimes experiment and lose money on different advertising avenues, and it's really, really hard to acquire new customers. But beyond the first year, customer carpet cleaning businesses tend to fail because they don't know how to monetize their existing list of business, their existing list of clients. Even worse, they don't even have a list of clients. They aren't keeping track. They don't have a way to systemically reach out to those clients. So I'm going to show you in just 2 minutes how easy it is and how important it is that you do so. So first of all, I'm bringing you over to this software that I have called Carpetly. I'm going to show you this automation. It takes 5 minutes to set up. It's super simple. And once you do it, it's done. All right. So as soon as the job gets marked complete, we wait 1 hour and we send a review request to that client, asking them to review us on Google, on Yelp. And what that does is it helps to boost the brand value, the brand equity. And again, that helps to boost the lifetime value of that customer as well. Then we wait 1 day and I send them a referral request. Okay, so something like this. Hi, this is Alistair with Carpetly. Treat your friend to $20 off carpet cleaning. Tell them you referred. Tell us you referred them. We'll give them $20 and give you a $20 gift card. All right, this is just one idea of a way that you can turn one customer into 3 or 4 customers by offering incentive for them to go out and be your promoter. Okay, now you can change this program however you want, but this is just one idea of how I do it. So then you wait 90 days. Okay, and what you do is you can offer alternate services. So they may not be ready for a carpet cleaning follow up in 90 days, but you can send them something like this. Did you know that we do more than just carpets? We also clean tile and grout, furnitures, windows, air duct cleaning, gutters, whatever it is that you offer. Give them an opportunity to know that they can ask for these other services. And then you ask them, give them a call to action. Do you need any one of these done? Okay. Very simple way to increase the lifetime value of your clients. Okay. Lastly, you wait 90 more days. All right. So that means 6 months total from their first cleaning, and you offer them a 6 month cleaning reminder. Hi, Mr. Customer. You use their first name here. This is Alistair with Carpetly. It's been 6 months since your last carpet cleaning. To schedule your maintenance cleaning, please reply yes. We make it super simple. Okay, this goes straight to their phone, right in their text message. It's much more, active than emailing them. It's less likely to, arrive in their spam folders, that kind of stuff. So SMS is a very, very powerful tool. And that's it, guys. This is, took me 5 minutes to set this thing up. And once it's set up, it's done forever. You never have to think about it. This is going to continue to monetize your existing list of business for the lifetime of your company. Okay, and it takes 5 minutes to set up. There's no reason why you shouldn't be doing this. And as a bonus, here's another way that you can increase the lifetime value of your customers through an email drip campaign. It's a catchy phrase, you heard it before. All it means is you're setting up a chain of emails that's going to send out and help to drive the business objectives of your company over a period of time. So we're sending out an email and we wait. An email, we wait. Email, we wait. Okay. And the time period is up to you. Could be 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 weeks, whatever. And the different emails are things like what services you offer, great testimonials from customers, promotions, all these different things that you can offer to help keep your company top of mind for the customer. They may not click all the time. They may not actually, take action on every single email. But what happens is it stays on the top of their email, and it helps to keep your business top of mind for their company. You can use these for all your different objectives of business, including boosting social media, referrals, all kinds of different stuff. Just keep your business top of mind when that customer needs carpet cleaner or tile grout cleaner or whatever service you offered. You're going to be the first one that they think about. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how easy and super simple it is. If you're interested in this software, the link is in the description of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you very much and happy cleaning.